All right. I pulled the starter because I couldn't see the numbers on the other side. You see that hole? That's where you have to do the timing through. I'm gonna point it out because it's small. That's the hole. I'm sure I said this before. There's your exhaust. Now set your timing. I mean, it's ridiculous. I don't know. Really shouldn't have ignition timing anyway on a tractor, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to line something up and try to get it close on the crankshaft pulley. I don't know. Anyway, I really don't feel like I have got a lot of hope for this stuff to work anyway. But anyway, I'm gonna mark this at 12 and 26 degrees. I have no idea really what it's supposed to be. I don't quite understand I don't know much about ignition anyway. My assumption is maybe there's something mechanical or whatever that advances it once you start revving the engine up. So, close enough. I messed up. There is a sequence to tighten those down. Oh well, I don't think it's that big of a deal. Alright, I'm using 11/16. I'm going to go from the inside, kind of work my way around. And they call for 55 to 60 foot-pounds. So, that's what I'm going to do. Let me come back to that one.